Okay, example one. Okay, we talked about this situation on the last slide. Okay, your baseball cards originally were worth $50. They are now worth $60. Okay, find the percent of change. Okay, so we're going to use the formula percent of change equals amount of change divided by the original amount. Okay, we just got to be careful that that will give us a decimal. So we need to change that to a percentage after we do that. Okay, so let's work this out. Percent of change. The amount of change on top. If you want to know how much something changes from $50 to $60, for example, you have to subtract the two values. Okay, so the percent of change, the amount of change would be 60 minus 50. The original amount goes on the bottom. Okay, think about the original cost of the cards was 50. So 50 goes on the bottom. Simplify that a little bit. 60 minus 50 is 10. And the denominator is still 50. Okay, so we have 10 over 50. Okay, so if you don't know, that is without the calculator. 10 divided by 50. Remember, I gave you a link. You could go click on the link. It will take you to the Desmos calculator that you will have access to in iLearn on the iLearn test. So you could take 10 divided by 50. You don't have to push equals. See, it just gives you 0.2, 0.2. Okay, so as a decimal, 10 over 50 is 0.2. Okay, we do need to change that to a percentage. So move the decimal point 2 to the right, which is 20%. So it's a 20% change. Okay, I do want you to circle increase or decrease. Okay, if they originally were $50 cards and now they're worth 60, okay, just think, did that go up or down? Okay, it went up, right? So that's a 20% increase. So just circle that word. And then to help make sure you understand this, fill in the bottom sentence and think about the sentence as you fill it out. Okay, my $60 cards are now worth 20% more than the original worth of $50. Okay, do the next problems the best you can. There's videos to look at if you get stuck. At the very least, scroll to the end of your video to make sure you did it right. But make sure you understand this. Okay, this is just to make sure you understand this before we go on with this topic. Okay, let me know if you have questions.